I'm super excited about today's video because, like you already know by the title, I'm actually gonna be unboxing a little addition to my collection. And you know, I love when I do this. You know, right now I feel like a kid in the candy store. Like, I feel so excited about it. I don't know if it's just me, but yeah, it's a new item, like I said. So you know that feeling. So yes, without you know, further ado, let's just, you know, get into this unboxing and talk all about it. And by the title, you already know what the bag is. So it's the YSL Lou Camera Bag. Some people say Lou Camera Bag or Lou Camera, I mean, whatever rocks your boat, right? You can call it whatever. In fact, you can give it a name. It's up to you. But you know, I'm going to be unboxing that bag with us today, and I'm also going to be giving you like a little bit of background, like how I got it and why I got it. Because I mean, there is always a reason behind me getting any of these bags. Like, I have to love it, I have to need it, I have to want it. You know, it's either one of those three things or the combination of the three before I buy a bag. So before I get started, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and at the end of the video, if you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. To my hot subby, thank you so much for being loyal. I love you guys right back. Mwah, mwah, mwah. So yeah, so without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So I have the bag right here by my side. I'm just gonna give you a little bit of background. So I've been eyeing the Gucci camera bag, and you know, I wish I could have that bag without the huge GG in front of it, or maybe that GG in a metal, like in a smaller metal kind of, you know, I wish I could get that bag but design it in my own way. You get my point. So I've been wanting something of that structure that I can just throw on my body and, you know, run errands and go everywhere with. You know, I have so many other crossbody bags, but they are more on the dressy side than on the casual side. So then during my research, you know, like, you know, the reason why I make these videos is so that I can help somebody that is trying to buy the same bag, right? So before I do the same thing, I actually come here to YouTube to watch people's video and, you know, get ideas, you know, before I go to buy mine. So while I was doing my research, you know, trying to, you know, see if I really want to ignore the entire big GG in front of the Gucci camera bag and buy it, then I found this bag. And believe me, trust me, it was love at first sight. I was like, oh yeah, really? And the funny thing is, I've seen this bag like on so many people, so many places, but I never paid attention. Like, it never got my attention until I fell in love with the Gucci camera bag and I started researching about it. Then I found out about this one and it just kind of threw me off. Like, I'm like, okay, you know what, this is what I want. Because this one is not only something you can wear casually, you can wear it, you can actually, you know, dress it up as well. So it's like more versatile. In my opinion, it's more versatile because of some features that it has that I'm gonna be sharing with you today. So that's actually the reason why I got this bag. So I got this bag because I needed something that I can throw on and wear casually and not feel like I'm overdoing anything. So that was why I started hunting for a camera bag, and I'm so glad that I made this decision, and I'm so glad that I bought this bag and in this color. This right here is the beauty that I have been talking about. So it came in this box. The box that it shipped it in was so huge, guys. Like, I'm like, when my husband saw the box at the door, it was like, babe, what did you order now? Like, what is this huge thing? It looks like a TV box for some reason that I don't know, but I found out they had to like stuff it up with some bubble wraps and all of that good stuff, which makes me feel good. Like, yeah, they probably know the value of this as much as I do. So long story short, this is the box that it comes in. For a change, this one actually came with a box. So I have the YSL kit bag. That one doesn't come in a box, it comes in the dust bag as is, but this one actually came in the box. I don't know why. So it came with, of course, it has a ribbon wrapped around it. And just FYI, I've actually worn this bag. Just FYI, I wore this bag. I'm gonna be inserting pictures to show you. I wore this bag just to show you how it fits and all of that. I wanted to wear it first ish kind of thing, or maybe I just couldn't wait, or maybe I don't know. But yeah, I've worn this bag, just FYI. So yeah, it came in this box. When you open it up, whoop, it comes like this. You know, it's right there under, and it has the receipt. I'm gonna grab it. It has the receipt in the box, and in the envelope you have your thank you card, then my receipt in the box, in the envelope as well, then a return label in case I need to return it. So yeah, so the color is dark beige. I'm reading it like directly from the receipt. The color is that dark beige and it retails for $1,250. Then there is an additional charge for tax, which is $75. So in total I spent $1,325 on this bag in total, but it retails for $1,250. So yeah, this is my receipt. It has my personal information. I can show you that. It says the Saint Laurent monogram Lou bag. So yeah, that's all that is in the envelope. So in the box itself, I have this is the ribbon that it was wrapped with. It doesn't have, it's just a plain ribbon, but it's thick, so nice. It doesn't have Saint Laurent, it doesn't have YSL printed on it. I'm trying to stay away from pronouncing Saint Laurent because I don't want drama. I know how people come for people that doesn't pronounce well on YouTube, and I don't want to be part of those people. It's not, I'm not gonna feel good if someone should attack me like that. Like, I'm scared of you guys. So yeah, comes like this. Then, you know, I didn't pop open the sticker. I just went under it and I grabbed the bag. So yeah, ooh, I mean, this box is huge, guys. This box is huge. So right from under the wraps is the bag in a dust bag. I'm just gonna set the box down. Is the bag in a dust bag? So yeah, this is it in the dust bag. Yeah, da da da. So now let me introduce you to the bag. And boo, 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 boo. Oh, sorry. This is the front of the bag. So yeah, this is my YSL Lou Camera Bag. So yeah, this right here is the bag, and I love it. Like, this is love at first sight. Like, this is love at first sight. The color especially is so nice. Like, I love it on my skin tone. I'm gonna be inserting pictures so that you can see how I wore it and how it looks on my body. The length is the length of the strap is really long, which I love, and it comes with a tassel on the side. So it comes with a tassel on the side, and on the tassel it has Saint Laurent printed on it, Paris, Saint Laurent Paris, and it has a zipper. And this is the strap, and the strap has holes. I actually had to put mine in the last hole because I love my bags to drop, like to have like the maximum drop ever. So this one with the full length, it drops right on my hip, and I'm a 5'7", so it drops on my hip. I'm going to insert pictures again, like I said, you know, to show you. And opening it up, I have in there the paper that it was stuffed with. So I'm just gonna take out the papers. Okay, I can't pronounce anything. I'm just so excited. It's okay, it's fine. So this is what the inside looks like. It's just plain, like so. It's plain black, like so, and it has a side purse, like a side opening right there, if you can see. Yeah, it has a side purse. Made in Italy. So this one was actually made in Italy. I think it's made in different parts of the world. I think there is made in France one. I don't know, but it doesn't matter to me. But I know I ordered it from YSL website, and I know I got it from them, and that's all that matters. So this one says made in Italy, and this is the authentication card. I believe it's right there in the bag. And yeah, so this is what the bag looks like. And when it came, the tassel was actually wrapped in a paper, in a tissue paper as well, and yeah, secured like that. And this bag fits a lot of things, guys. My battery is about to die. I'm just gonna have to switch it up so that I can continue this video. I'll be right back. All right, so I actually had to switch my camera. My other battery is also out, so I had to switch to my vlogging camera. I know there is gonna be a huge difference between the previous video and this video, but it's okay, you know. So I'm just gonna continue exactly where I stopped. So I actually went to my phone to grab the information about this bag so that you can, you know, come along with me. One thing I noticed is this bag actually has different names across multiple platforms for some reason that I do not understand. So you just personally have to know what you're looking for, you know, and when you find it, you should just carefully read the information and make sure you are buying what you're looking for. So right now I'm on Saks Fifth Avenue website, and I came here to see the dimension of this bag. So this bag is actually crossbody strap, and it drops to about 23 inches, which is a lot. Trust me, my longest crossbody bag is 21 inches, and that is my YSL Kate bag as well. I think YSL is actually good with, you know, when they do a crossbody bag, they make sure it has good length, which is nice. So yeah, this is 23 inches long in terms of the strap. It's 9 inches wide. So it's 9 inches wide, and the height is 6.25 inches as per the height, and this part of it is 2.25 inches. So that's actually the dimension of the bag. I'm going to be putting that information on the screen as well, if that would help. So this bag, I don't know, there is another thing about the confusion with the color as well. So this is a dark beige, in case you want to buy it. The funny thing is on Saks, I don't see it in dark beige. On YSL website, it is there in dark beige. Nema markers, I don't see it in dark beige as well. They probably have another name for the color. So there is always an issue with the color. So I would advise, if you have a YSL store close to you and they are opened right now, then I'll just advise you to go into the store and see for yourself what you're buying. However, if you can't wait, you can as well order it, and if it's not what you want, just send it back, right? So this was the color that I wanted, and luckily for me, that was what I got. Before I bought this, I was like, is this what I want? I almost bought another one that is like more brownish than this. This one is on the pink brown side. You know, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know what the name of the color is, but this dark beige one is on the pink brown side. So this is the maximum focus right now. Can you see? Like, my camera is trying to give you exactly the color that it is. So that's exactly the color you're looking at right now, is exactly the color that it is. So that's what this one is. Some people tend to love the one that is like super pink. I don't know what that one is called. You know, people rant a lot about that one. They said it's like super beautiful and all of that good stuff, but nobody, when you try to read reviews, everybody just has different names for it. So you don't want to be that confused, right? So you just want to like make sure that you get exactly the name of what you're looking for and you buy it. But like I said, it's okay to buy and return if it's not what you want. So yeah, one thing about the color of this bag and this bag is it sells out really quickly. So if you notice, mine only has the tassel. It doesn't have the, there is an additional metal that normal YSL bags has. So there's an additional metal, like you would it would have like two accessories. So this is one. There is usually another one that drops on it, and that one is a metal, but this particular one doesn't have it. The one that has it sells for $1,290, but this one sells for $1,250. So you should also take note of that difference. So mine has this one, mine doesn't have it, but the other one has it. But the issue is the other one that has it is like sold out. It's probably they discontinued it, or maybe it's just like you have to stalk the website to find it and be able to order it. Like, it's always sold out. You almost cannot get it. So I decided, like, okay, if it's just for that little thing, I really don't mind, since it has this hardware already and it has a tassel, and the tassel also has like a trim of like another gold hardware that has the Laurent Paris printed on it. Then I'm like, it's not such a big deal. Like, it would be nice to have it, but it's not such a big deal. And another reason for me is I plan to buy this in the burgundy color, like the dark red color. I'm eyeing it. I'm gonna start to hunt for it right now. So I plan to buy it before fall. It's gonna be like a nice piece to be added to my fall collection, and that's probably what I'm gonna be wearing all through. So I'm saving for it already. I hope that I find the burgundy one. I think it's also scarce as well, but I'm gonna try my best to get it. Like, that color is beautiful. I I don't even want to think about it. Like, that color is beautiful. This one is exactly what I need this season, and I'm like, you know what, let me just get this one first, and that was why I got it. But I'm gonna be, like I said, I'm gonna be buying the other one in the, I'm gonna buy the same bag in the burgundy color, and that one actually comes with the tassel and that extra metal that I was talking about. So worst case scenario, I can just swap the tassels if I want. Oh, that's not possible, right? Whatever, it doesn't matter, right? So hey, whatever. So yeah, and this tassel is actually removable if you don't want it. If you're someone that doesn't like, you're like, what's tassel, you can always remove it, just FYI. So they made it as such that you can remove it. I haven't removed mine, there is no need to. I love the tassel effect. So in case you don't like it and you're like super sophisticated and you don't want it, it's okay. But when you remove it, send it to me. It doesn't matter the color, just mail it to me. I'll be more than happy to get it. So yeah, that is all about this bag, and that's all that I really have to say and point out. So like I said, I make these videos to help people when you're trying to buy your own bag, because before I buy mine, I always make sure I compare, watch other people's video, learn from their mistakes before I go ahead and make my own mistakes, so that I don't repeat the same mistakes that I've already made, right? So learn from my mistake, of which in this case I don't think there is any, before because I really did my own work, trust me, believe me. So yeah, that's all about this bag. So if you're in the market to buy it and you want my candid opinion, I would say go ahead and buy it. In terms of longevity, you know, I can't tell because I just got it and I really don't know how it's gonna hold up. So when I wore this, I had on a white shirt and a washed jeans, so I didn't notice any kind of color transfer or anything. The only fear that I have for this color is I hope it doesn't have color transfer, and I hope that, you know, I mean, it's a color that you have to be careful with. You don't wanna have like a pen that can easily write on it. You know, you don't want to have anything that can stain it around it. So that's one thing you should take note of, and I think that applies to any bag that comes in this kind of color, right? So for other dark colors, you can do whatever, but for this color, you have to be careful so you don't get it dirty. So yeah, that's all. You know, I don't know if I showed you the zipper part. So this is what the zipper looks like. You can zip it like so, as such. So yeah, this is the little piece that I just added to my collection, and I'm super duper in love with it, and I just wanted to come share with you guys. So I'm gonna wear it for a while as usual, and I'll let you know how it is held up. In the meantime, if you have any specific question, just do not hesitate, feel free to drop it for me right in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. So thank you so much again for watching. Thank you for your time. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and remain blessed. Peace.